The perfection of natural sound is when I feel like I'm not wearing a hearing aid. To me, the perfection of natural sound is when I can feel completely present with my friends wherever we are. I'm not thinking about how clear their voices are or that every sound is where I expect it to be, because for a few moments I totally forget about my hearing loss. It's a feeling of being completely free and connected to my life.
Widex Moment Shear can deliver sound this natural because it features pure sound powered by zero delay technology. It delivers the fastest sound processing available in a digital hearing aid to eliminate the delay-based distortion that makes most other hearing aids sound artificial. Widex, sound like no other.